regard to the issue of the ICC, he really betrayed his own words. He betrayed the country, and he betrayed the former president, and he betrayed the Filipino people. Because consistently before, he was always saying, no, the country will, the Philippine government under my leadership or under my presidency will never cooperate with the ICC. And take note, Fernando, there was even a letter addressed to the vice president, daughter, I think, of the former president, who is now in The Hague being detained in the ICC detention center. So there was a letter actually he addressed to the vice president saying that I will always uphold the sovereignty of the country and will not surrender it to a foreign institution. But look what happened, what he did. Very obvious. The Department of Interior and Local Government Secretary, in an interview with ANC, with that broadcaster, said, it was the office of the president who chartered the plane that brought former President Duterte to The Hague. I think from the news, the office of the president paid for all the expenses with that transporting the former president to The Hague last Tuesday, if I am not mistaken. So you see, the Filipino people has to see this. The whole world has to see this, that our current president is a liar and betrayed the Filipino people.